Hello again. In this video I propose the e-bike as a transport vehicle for about 10 to 20 kilograms of groceries. This is the continuation of video 52a, which you see here. If you do this every day, you get exercise too. Consider that 10 to 15 kilometers on a bike is a good distance, which you can add to about 3 kilometers of walking each day. You can have fresh food daily with this routine and even visit traditional shops or private sellers for fresh vegetables, fruit, eggs or even milk if you go to the countryside, which is relaxing and healthy, returning to the tradition of buying from local producers. You see that even on a normal city bike I have space for double-side bags and a coolbox, so I can easily load 20 kilograms. Other e-bikes are specifically built for larger loads. Do you think I exaggerate? So let's go to the supermarket to buy some fuel for this hybrid vehicle, powered by an electric motor of 250 watt and Mascos with 150 watt continuous power. As you see, it's pretty easy to keep the speed just below 25 kilometers an hour with the eco level, so 30% assist. I can go higher, but don't feel the need. I take the side bags into the cart, so I know the limit of buying things. I should fix the camera on my helmet for stable footage. The cashier didn't allow me to take a video. Didn't know that before. Here you see that with 29 euros I was able to fill the 2 bags. Multiplying the product weight I come to 9.5 kilograms. But I am without a cool box. Now continue watching this video from a month ago, if you didn't already, for a broader context with more transportation options. If you didn't see yet this previous video 52a, then please look to that first.